How to export TikTok data to another app. So if you want to export your TikTok data to another app, then what you need to do is open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and tap on the three horizontal lines, which is on the top right of your screen, and tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll all the way down, and here you may have an option of download your information. Just simply tap on account, which is on the first, and then tap on download your information. Now select the information that you would like to download, select the file format, and then tap on request data. Once you tap on request data, then you will have this kind of interface. Your data will be ready to download. So you need to go with the right side, which has that download option, and tap on download. Once you tap on download, it will download all of your TikTok information. You need to verify your account. Once you verify, then you'll be able to download the information. And after that, you can just export it on wherever platform that you're comfortable with. So that's how you can export your TikTok data to another app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.